Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can hide photos and videos on Vivo phones running on Funtouch OS. To hide the photos or videos, open albums on your Vivo phone and select the photos which you want to hide. Here I have selected few photos. To hide them, you need to click on the three dots, simply click on hide, click on hide again. Now the photos are hidden. To view the hidden photos, click on this gear icon. Under settings, you have this option hidden photos. Click on that. Here you can see the hidden photos and videos. If you want to keep the log to you this hidden photos album, you can do that. Under settings itself, below hidden photos, you have this option verify password when viewing hidden photos. Once you enable this option, you need to enter your privacy password every time to view the hidden photos. Here you can see that. Now go back to the home screen and let's open the albums. Click on this gear icon to view the hidden albums. Click on hidden photos. By default it is locked. To unlock, you need to enter the privacy password. I have already set the privacy password, so it is asking me to enter the privacy password. If you are using it for the first time, it will ask you to set up the privacy password. After entering the privacy password, it will show you the photos and videos. If you want to unhide them, simply select the photos and videos. To unhide them, simply click on this button. It will unhide the photos and videos. Open the albums app. Now the photos are back. So that's it guys. In this way you can hide photos and videos on Vivo phones running on Funtouch OS. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.